The book of Proverbs, chapter 30, starting at verse 2. For I am more stupid than anyone, and do not have the understanding of a man. And I have not learned wisdom that I should know the knowledge of the set-apart one. Who has gone up to the heavens and come down? Who has gathered the wind in his fists? Who has bound the waters in a garment? Who has established all the ends of the earth? What is his name? And what is his son's name, if you know it? Every word of Eloah is tried. He is a shield to those taking refuge in him. Do not add to his words, lest he reprove you and you be found a liar. 2 matters I have asked of you, deny them not to me before I die. Remove falsehood and a lying word far from me. Give me neither poverty nor riches. Feed me my lawful bread, lest I become satisfied and deny you, and say, Who is YAHUAH? And lest I be poor and steal and cease the name of my Elohim. Do not slander a servant to his master, lest he curse you and you be found guilty. There is a generation that curses its father and does not bless its mother. There is a generation clean in its own eyes, but not washed from its own filth. There is a generation, oh, how haughty are their eyes, and their eyelids are lifted up. There is a generation whose teeth are swords, and whose jaw teeth are knives, to devour the poor from off the earth, and the needy from among men. The leech has 2 daughters. Give, give. 3 are not satisfied, 4 that never say enough. Sheol and the barren womb, soil not satisfied with water, and fire which never says enough. An eye that mocks his father and scorns to obey his mother, ravens of the wadi dig it out, and young eagles eat it. 3 matters are too marvelous for me, and 4 which I do not understand. The way of an eagle in the heavens, the way of a snake on a rock, the way of a ship in the heart of the sea, and the way of a man with a young woman. This is the way of an adulterous woman. She shall eat and wipe her mouth and say, I have not done wickedness. Under 3 matters the earth trembles, and under 4 it is unable to bear. Under a servant when he reigns, and a fool when he is satisfied with food, under a hated woman who marries, and a female servant who supplants her mistress. There are 4 matters which are little in the earth, but they are exceedingly wise. The ants are a people not strong, yet they prepare their food in the summer. The rock badgers are a weak folk, yet they make their homes in the crags. The locusts have no sovereign, yet they all go out in formation. A spider takes hold with 2 hands, and is in the sovereign's palaces. There are 3 matters that are going well, and 4 are good in walking. A lion which is mighty among beasts, and does not turn away from facing all, a greyhound and a male goat, and a sovereign whose army is with him. If you have been foolish in lifting up yourself, or if you have plotted evil, put your hand on your mouth. For as milk under pressure brings forth curds, and as a nose under pressure brings forth blood, so wrath under pressure brings forth strife.